Hello, good day guys, carmarket.com. This is upgrade body kit for Lexus LX600 2021-2024. Upgrade to 2024 look, superior F design look. This is already perfect quality front and rear splitters for the side. You can see everything with clips. Quality is just awesome, guys. Very nice. It's already pearl white. You can see just a little dust. All right, so it's already pearl white. The diffuser and mirror covers are in perfect gloss black. You can see the flawless, just little dust. All right, mirror covers are with clips. Center just plugs in the diffuser. You can see there is a space where you can trim for the hook if you have a hook. All right, and this is ready to go, just ready to be installed for your bumpers. All that you need for the front and rear. Clips are also included. That's some set of clips here in this bag. It's already painted and ready for installation, guys. Lexus LX600 fitment 2021 to 2024. Where you can buy? carmarket.com, guys. Worldwide delivery, best price, best service, and delivery time. In stock. Now we have in stock. Thank you for watching.